Did you know that your customers are more tech-savvy than ever? And savvy customers expect a seamless payment experience. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent. If you are a Salesforce professional looking to transform your Salesforce Experience Cloud or community into a bona fide payment portal, then you are in the right place. In this video, we'll discuss why self-service payments are so important, the benefits for your org, and the setup. The power of self-service payments. Customers often don't have time to call into your call center, so offering a self-service payment option allows them to handle payments on their own schedule. This not only makes things easier for them, but it also reduces call volume and shortens wait times for your team. With customers already logged into your Experience Cloud, you can also seize this opportunity to engage them with notifications, marketing, and other messages, making the most of their attention. Now let's move on to the setup, which is easy and it's done with clicks, not code. We've included a link in the description of this video that goes into detail on the setup process, but in a nutshell, it works like this. Step 1. You'll need to create some custom fields that will be used by our Take Payment component. The first of which will be used to point the Take Payment component to a Chargent order record. The field is related to the Chargent order object, and the type will be lookup relationship. Once created, copy the field API name and paste that into a text document. The next field will be used to determine the payment amount, and for this, we'll choose the currency field type. Add a field label and be sure to enter 2 in the decimal places field. Save this and copy the field API name for it to that same text document. Before we continue, download our Salesforce Payments checklist and start allowing customers to self-service their transactions. It's time to get paid faster and lighten your team's workload, so visit the link in the description and download it now. Step 2. Copy the gateway record ID. We'll use this to determine which of your payment gateway records will be used in the component. Click the app launcher, then search for and select Gateways. Click the gateway record you wish to use, then copy the gateway ID from the URL. Paste that into your text document. Step 3. In the Experience Builder, navigate to the page from which you plan to take payments. Click the Components icon at the top left and drag the Chargent Take Payment component onto your page. Step 4. While still in the Experience Builder, click on the Take Payment component that you just added to the page to reveal the configuration panel. And from here, you'll fill out the required fields, which should take a minute or two. Paste the gateway ID that you copied earlier into the gateway ID field. Then paste the field API name for the currency field that you created into the field called Charge Amount Field API Name. And now paste the field API name for the lookup field that you created into the field called Chargent Object Lookup Field API Name. Another mouthful, I get it. Feel free to leverage the other options from the configuration panel if needed. Once done, click the Publish button to save, and then publish the page. And that's it. You've payment-enabled your Experience Cloud page. Your customers will be thrilled with how easy it is to make secure payments. They can simply enter their card or bank details and click the Pay button. And thanks to our Payment Methods feature, their next payment will be even easier because they won't need to enter their payment details at all. Instead, they can simply select their saved payment methods from the list. In just a few minutes, you've empowered your customers to make payments in your Experience Cloud. You've saved that customer and your own staff precious time by offering real payment flexibility. I'd call that an upgrade. My name's Don, and I'm from Chargent, where we are dedicated to helping you make Salesforce payments simple. And remember, download the Salesforce Payments checklist via the link in the description. And for more helpful content, check out this next video. Remember, we're always here to help.